In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. I want to thank the guys at Anchor for sending these over to review on the channel. I'll leave current pricing and more information in the description of the video. These have up to 8 hours playtime, 32 hours with the charging case. They've got Hear ID active noise canceling, ultimate high-res experience, 6 microphones, ACAA 2.0, which is their latest dual driver technology. The nice thing is the case has wireless charging, 10.6 millimeter drivers, 500 milliamp hour battery in the case, 68 milliamp hours in the earbuds themselves. With ANC mode turned on, you get up to 6 hours, 24 hours with the charging case. You got 3 microphones on each earbud. The case also has fast charging, 15 minutes for 3 hours of use. And these are Bluetooth 5.2. Oh wow, okay, pretty fancy packaging here. Over here on the side, you've got your quick start guide, safety and warranty information. You've also got your USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Right here in the center, you've got different size ear tips. Then at the bottom, you got 3 different size ear wings, and you don't have to worry about these falling out all the time. Wow, these look really nice. Looks like they've already got some ear wings on there. Let's go ahead and pick one of these ear tips and see which one fits better. I'm gonna try 2 different ear tips and see which one is gonna be closer. I'm guessing it's gonna be one of these in the middle. You can see the charging contacts there on the inside. Now for controls, all you gotta do is tap twice to play and pause, hold down 2 seconds to go into the ANC transparency mode, tap twice to answer or end a call, hold down for 1 second to get your voice assistant. Pretty good sized charging case here. There in the back's your USB-C charging, and you've got the pairing button there as well. Okay, inside of the case lights up there to let you know it's in pairing mode. Nice thing is they'll be adding the Liberty 3 Pro to their mobile app soon, so you'll be able to use that to dial everything in a little bit better. Okay, so let's try some music here real quick. Let's go ahead and see how these fit. Holy cow. Wow. The bass on these are crazy. Now I still have the original Liberty 2 Pros, and those were actually one of my favorites as far as how earbuds sound. But I gotta say, it feels like they took these up a notch. First 5 seconds, I'm pretty impressed. Weird thing is the ear tips fit good on both sizes, so I guess I'll just pick one. Looks like it works when I take out one earbud. Let's try the other. Okay, this is what I like to see. You can take out either earbud and it stops playing. And the good thing is once you put the earbuds back into your ears, it continues playing whatever you were listening to. The other thing I noticed, these wing tips or ear wings, whatever you want to call them, these keep everything in your ears and you sort of got to tug a little bit to get these out. If you're looking for earbuds to use when working out or jogging or whatever, pretty much any type of workout, yeah, these aren't coming out. Now I will say these are a little bit larger than some other earbuds out there, but the functionality wise, I mean, look at the area you have to control these. It's just really good. Let me listen to a podcast real quick. Nice thing is these sound really good whether you've got them in transparency mode or with the ANC turned on. I don't know, these things might be a little too big. When I'm pulling these out of my ears, it's like, oh, come on. I might have to try a little bit smaller ear wing there. But I gotta say, first off, these definitely sound better than the Liberty 2 Pros. One thing I always noticed with those is they sound really good with music, but then when you listen to a podcast, the audio was a little bit muffled or maybe too bass heavy. You don't have that problem with these. These actually sound really nice, crystal clear. I know I sound like a fanboy or a broken record here, but man, these are impressive. Let me do one more test with gaming just to make sure, but I don't know, these might be the best earbuds that I've heard. To me, these definitely sound better than the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Pixel Buds A series. In my opinion, these are definitely gonna be hard to beat as far as sound quality goes. The only thing I think some people might say about these is they're a little on the large side. I mean, I sort of felt that way with the Liberty 2 Pros, but no, I think these are just a little bit smaller. and they definitely sound better. These were definitely a lot better once I switched up the ear wings a little bit. So playing games with these earbuds, there is a slight delay, but to me it doesn't feel like it's any worse than a lot of other popular earbuds I've tried. And the sound quality during games is really good as well. I feel like these earbuds are good for podcasts, gaming, watching videos online. At least in my testing, these are definitely some of the best earbuds I've tested out recently. There's also just a tad bit of delay when watching YouTube videos. There's gonna be just a hint of delay or latency issues when you're watching videos, playing games, but these feel like they're right in the same range as other popular earbuds that I've tested. So this is a mic test for the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro wireless earbuds. Another nice thing about these headphones, they have really good quality when calling. I'm curious to see how these are going to sound when I go in to edit this video. From what I can tell while recording, it looks like the volume is plenty loud enough, and this is currently on the transparency mode. Plus it's really easy to switch from ANC over to transparency mode. You just hold down on the right earbud for a second or two, and it just switches over right away. Now I've got it switched over to ANC mode, and yeah, it works really good. I can't hear any fans going on, not even from the laptop that's right in front of me. So they should be really good if you're flying on an airplane or just traveling in general. I feel like the fit on these are definitely better than the Liberty 2 Pros. And then, like I said before, the sound is definitely an upgrade. If you have any doubts about getting these new Liberty 3 Pros, don't. They're really good. And like I said before, build quality and sound quality. Now I haven't heard all the earbuds by Soundcore, but to me this definitely has to be one of the best they've made so far. Now there is one slight problem for me. This might not be for everybody, but to me the controls feel like they're pretty basic, like no way to turn the volume up and down. And unfortunately I couldn't even get these to go to the next song when only using one earbud. Since it's controlled by only the left earbud, when I had the right earbud in, yeah, I couldn't go to the next song. All I could do was play or pause. Maybe it is a little bit easier if you're using the mobile app, but I feel like you shouldn't have to download that in order to get basic functions. I haven't quite tested these long enough to see if the battery life is what they claim, but I gotta say my first impressions of the new Liberty 3 Pro is, yeah, I would definitely recommend these. Really good sound, tons of options as far as fitment goes, and probably the best part is, yeah, these have really good bass that doesn't overpower everything else. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.